wako under PMP.
Nao atongoria a ngwatanĩro cia arutani kaunti-inĩ ya Nandi rĩu marenda thirikari ĩmacokerie insurance ya ũrigiti ĩrĩa maratũraga nayo, makiuga ĩno njerũ kũhetũkĩra SHA ndĩramaguna na ĩna moritũ na mĩhĩnga mĩingĩ magĩetha ũrigiti. Makiaria igongona-inĩ rĩa mathiko mwena wa Siwo, atongoria acio a KUPPET na NAT marauga arutani ni maragirĩka gwetha ũrigiti wao kana wa andũ ao kũhetũkĩra SHA thengia ya kũmĩcangira na kĩrĩa mararengwo mĩcara-inĩ. Rĩu makĩenda macokio kũrĩa maratũire tene. Marauga ona thibitarĩ nyingĩ itiratambũra insurance ya SHA, noguo ona ũrigiti matiraheo. Rĩu makĩenda ĩthondekwo kana ĩteanĩrio.
Money on the books, we shall go for the... Kama tukiambiwa SHA or our own minute, we shall go back to our own minute, which was assisting us 100%. SHA saizi imetupatia shida mingi.
Let the service providers and in conjunction with SHA get a reliable system which will not be affected by simple technology like sijui maneno ya network imepotea.
When that SHA is affected, for a teacher to be treated, the amount maybe sometimes surpasses the amount that the SHA provides. During that time of Minute, we were not even adding any amount. The medical scheme was covering even up to a maximum of 5 million. But at the moment, it is a maximum of only 1.5 million, which is becoming a great problem. So I call upon the government to streamline this issue. Failure to do so, we are embarking on streets. We will go and paralyze learning so that the teacher himself is comfortable.